So I'm having my morning coffee and bagel, and a whole group of little tiny birds have come. I'm not sure what they're munching on. They're under the cars, and now they're all flying off. They were. I'm not sure what they're looking for. I was watching them hopping behind my car. Oh, there they go. Oh, I realize I'm still zoomed in. Yikes. Okay. So they just all flew off in a tizzy, a good couple dozen of them, just hopping around under the cars, in the grass. I don't know, maybe the neighbor dumped some birdseed on the ground. The moon's out. How beautiful.